Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 90 by Nike in collaboration with Dutch streetwear and sneaker boutique Patta in the Sapphire purple colorway. These were released exclusively at Patta stores on Friday the 20th of June 2025 for the retail price of £145 here in the UK. A full release will be on the 24th of June. Shout out to my boy Adri who was able to grab these and let me shoot his pair. The box comes similar to the shoes' grey colour theme, with hits of purple representing this pair and other Volt yellow pair which also released. Patta slogans and branding can be seen across the box. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper with black Patta and Air Max 90 logos. The shoes also include grey laces, which was a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Nike and Patta continue the wave theme as seen on previous Air Max 1 releases, with an OG inspired colour blocking on this purple Air Max 90. This time with a rippled mudguard, a silver swoosh with grey mesh underlays instead of white. Off-white hits can be seen on the sock liner laces and midsole for that H look. Purple Patta branding can be seen on the tongue, insoles and quarter panel, which is cool because it has that 3D effect that switches from Air Max depending on the angle you look at it. I like the perforated nubuck tongue to round up another solid premium Patta collab. I've been told these fit true to size and I think they look better in the grey laces. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment purple to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? I personally really like these, but I'm going to save my coins for future releases. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.